Hi, it's Gina from WTI. If you're looking to take your gua sha routine up to the next level, then I recommend checking out this YouthLab ProSculpt. I've been doing gua sha for about a year and I've seen really good results with diminishing fine lines and wrinkles, and using this ProSculpt has just increased those results. What makes it really special and unique is that it has 4 different settings. Having the heat has been so amazing. It doesn't get too hot, it's warm, and it feels so soothing on your skin. But also because you always use oil when you're using a gua sha implement, it helps it to slide so much smoother over the skin. So there's no pulling, which would make your wrinkles worse. Because you can choose to have the massage feature activated while you're using it, it helps to really get the lymph going. A red light therapy option as well. It just gives you everything that you need to really target your skin. Areas that I target are my chin, cheekbones, eye. Okay, I just target everything because I am in my 40s and I've seen that my skin has been changing the last few years. Using the gua sha, I've seen definite diminishes, especially in my chest area, because I'm a side sleeper and I get these really deep lines. When I use the gua sha 2 to 3 times a week, I definitely see that it's diminishing. I think this combines tried and true methods for improving skin with modern technology perfectly. I couldn't be happier with this YouthLab Pro Sculpt. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.